choices. Where'd you go? These are so difficult. Guys. I can't even get you. You're right under my feet. There, play with the cat. That's a good way. That's the little boy. Here, Bubby. And that's the little girl on top of the boy. There's the boy again. Okay, you guys are back under my feet again. There's the blue merle boy. Yes, I know, you guys are playful. I know, I can't pet ya. I'm sorry. Okay, here. Mommy pet ya. Here. Come here. Well, come here, Dad. I know what you want. I know. Yeah, here I am. There you go. Okay. Yes, I know. Now you guys want petted. No petting for you guys. Not yet. Come here. Come on. You guys are making a mess over there. You got my paper all messed up.